In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Vrbo as a host. If you've got a property and you're thinking about sharing it with travelers from around the world, Vrbo is a fantastic platform to consider. It connects homeowners with guests seeking vacation rentals, providing you with an opportunity to earn some extra income while offering others a memorable stay. Let's dive into how you can get started as a host on Vrbo. First, you'll want to navigate to vrbo.com. Once there, you'll see an option that says List Your Property. Click on that, and you're on your way to welcoming guests into your space. This step is all about setting the stage for potential renters and giving them a glimpse of what your property has to offer. Now, let's talk about the specifics you'll need to enter. Vrbo will ask for details about your property's layout, including the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. This is crucial information because it helps guests determine if your place will suit their needs. Imagine if a family of 5 is browsing for a rental. They'll likely be looking for multiple bedrooms and enough bathroom space to accommodate everyone comfortably. So this information plays a big role in helping guests make informed decisions. After you've entered the bedroom and bathroom count, you'll need to provide the full address of your property. This isn't just about pinpointing your location on a map. Providing an accurate address is essential for Vrbo's system to generate an AI estimated income projection for your property. This feature is pretty neat because it gives you an idea of what you could potentially earn by listing your space on the platform. Keep in mind that this is an estimate, but it offers a helpful starting point for setting your rental expectations. While filling out these details might seem straightforward, it's important to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Double check your address and make sure your bedroom and bathroom count reflect the current setup of your property. It might also be a good time to think about any renovations or updates you've made, as these can affect the attractiveness of your listing. As a tip, when you're deciding on the number of guests your property can accommodate, consider the comfort and safety of your guests. Overcrowding can lead to negative reviews, which can impact your ability to attract future bookings. A well thought out listing that clearly communicates what guests can expect will go a long way in ensuring a positive experience for everyone involved. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a host on Vrbo. It's all about creating an inviting and honest listing that resonates with potential guests. Remember, transparency and attention to detail are your best friends when it comes to succeeding as a host. Good luck and happy hosting.